Hi, welcome to Miss Brown and Miss Daisy's class. Today we're going to be learning about writing stories. And I know that everyone in here has written stories before, but we are going to do it in a different way today.
Okay, class, so tell me some parts of the story that you know. Alright, you.
Well, I know that some stories have to have, people in them, so yeah, that.
That is exactly right, but instead of calling them people, we call them characters or subjects. Alright, somebody else, tell me another one. Alright, you.
Yeah, man, so they had to have, stuff happen in the story, so, you might want to put something about that, so, yeah.
Right, the events of a story. We call that the plot. The plot is what happens, whether it be good or bad. Alright, someone else. Harry. That's exactly right. We need a setting where the story is going to take place. Alright, class, so now tell me some parts of a sentence. Alright, you.
Yeah, so, once again, you're gonna have, the people, which you said, I guess, was characters and subjects, but, it could be, in the cat ran, that sentence, you could do, cat. So, I guess a noun or something, yeah.
Exactly, yes. The noun. And a noun is a person, place, or a thing. Alright, somebody else tell me another one. Pete?
Oh, yeah, you, have to have verbs, so, okay.
And the verb is the action that the noun is committing in a sentence. Alright, someone else. Pusheen?
Dude, you gotta have, stuff happen in the story, you gotta make everything cooler, so instead of being the cat ran, you could be dude, the totally awesome, totally wicked, totally amazing cat ran. So,
Right, so adjectives.
yeah, sure, whatever.
Adjectives just make the sentence a little bit more interesting.
Great job, class. This is a great start. So we have, for parts of a story, characters and subjects, the plot, and then the setting. And for parts of a sentence, we have a noun, a verb, and adjectives to kind of make it more interesting. So I think what we can do is we can also say that we have adjectives in a story. Since they're going to be in our sentences, we're also going to have them in the story. And so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to give you some prompts. Those are just words that we have that are going to kind of help you in your process for creative writing. And we have them written on Lego Duplos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you the subjects and characters are the blue Legos. The plot are the red Legos. The setting is on the green Legos. The adjectives, which can also be attributes of the characters, but it's the same thing. They're yellow, but yellow doesn't show up on the board, so I'm going to show you in purple. And then I also have something extra in the Lego prompts, and we have numbers. They're just going to be a little bit of an extra thing for you to write about. It can kind of be like an adjective, so those are going to be gray.
Alright, everyone, so in just a few minutes we're going to break up into groups of 4. And one person from each group is going to reach into our buckets and pull out the Legos. And each person will pull 3 blue Legos, 1 red, 2 green, 4 yellow, but remember yellow doesn't show up, so we're using purple, and then 1 gray. And what you're going to do, whenever you pull the Legos out of the bucket, you're not going to look at them. So you can't pick which numbers you get or which setting or anything like that. You have to just reach in and grab one. And when you grab them, you're going to stack them up, just like that. And you're going to put them in the middle of your table. And whichever side faces you, that's the side that you are going to use. So whatever words are on that side, that's what you're going to have to use in your story.
So, for example, I have pulled the words twins, billion, big, Legoland, and shark attack. So, let me write those real quick. Twins, billion, big, Legoland, and shark attack. This is my subject, this is my number, this is one of my adjectives, this is my setting, and this is the plot. So, for example, and I'm just making this up as I go, I could talk about twins who won $1 billion, and so they decided to go to Hawaii on a big airplane. And when they went to Hawaii, they got attacked by sharks. And even though it says shark attack, you don't have to exactly use shark attack in your story, but you could say attacked by sharks, as long as it's very similar. And then they got attacked by sharks, they went to the hospital, and the parents felt really bad, so they took their children on a trip to Legoland. And then you can just elaborate on that. That's a really short story, but yours is going to be longer than that. It's going to be about 2 pages long, but you don't have to worry about that because today we're just going to be brainstorming and writing our rough draft. So, when you put these words in your story, every time you have those words, you're going to underline them so that I know how many times you've used each word, and you have to use each word at least once, but I recommend that you use it 2 or 3 times.
Alright, so Lion, Pusheen, Pete, and Perry, y'all 4 are in a group. Why don't one of you go and select your Legos?